Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about one thing and one thing only. How to get this fancy little color to be around your name here, or around your profile picture of your Twitch. As you can see with my buddy MG Homie here, he has a orange/yellow one, and the way that that is controlled is that it is based off your channel theme, as you can see right here. This little yellowish orange bar is causing this to be yellowish orange. So, for today's tutorial, we're going to be going through how to change your channel theme so that you can have more visibility on Twitch. Alright, so one thing I do want to go over really quick is that little feature right there, the color around, it only appears when you're live, and it's also not appearing in Google Chrome. It is only currently appearing in Firefox and Edge at the making of this video. So, to get into our channel theme, we're going to click our little profile picture, we're going to hit Settings, and go to Channels and Videos, and then Brand. From Brand, right here we have a profile accent color. This is what's going to go ahead and change our theme. So notice I have it as a nice bright orange right here. I'm going to copy that for later because I still want to keep my nice bright orange, right? Alright, but say we want to have this bright yellow, or a bright, how about this lime green actually? Okay, we can say it changed around here. We go ahead and click Save Changes. Now, if we go back to our channel, you'll be able to see that it will have changed on our brand color. You saw it flash there. We have it here. Now, if we were live at this current moment, everybody else would see our profile picture with this nice lime border. That way you can stand out from the rest. Note it that we have a couple people with orange, pinkish hues to their name. If you can set yourself apart by going ahead and having a different color, just another thing to make you be more clickable on Twitch and be more viewable. Well guys, that's about as simple as it is, and that's about it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and if this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more tutorial content. This was the Helpful Taco, and I hope I helped you this time.